I'm always wet. Wet me, baby. Period. I'm not running. I'm not running. I'm not running. I'm a fat bitch. I'm a fat bitch. I can't do it. At the end of the day, it doesn't fucking matter. Fuck you.
You, and you.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, and fuck you. Hey, bitches of the world, it's me, JayDaHbic. If you don't know me, get to know me. Hey, hi, how are you? Happy Saturday. Yeah, I was gonna say happy 4th of July, but you know, we don't celebrate that anymore. You know, I don't think anybody in America celebrates it. If you're celebrating it today, you're just a whore, and you're uneducated, and stupid, and mindless, and spineless, and soulless, and racist. Like, comment, share, subscribe each. Press the little ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, you know, every time I post, baby, because I'm posting every single day from now on. Unless I'm really busy one day and you know I really like literally can, you know, but you guys will find out. I always make up for it, you know. You find out the next day when y'all been doing fireworks since June 1st, so y'all don't really give a fuck, do you? Y'all been doing fireworks since June 1st, so bitch, you gonna keep doing fireworks every fucking day, bitch. We gonna deal with these fireworks for the rest of our lives, I can tell. It's every day. Every goddamn day. I'm tired of it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little short vlog. You know, me and my friends, we went out to Central Park to do a little picnic the other day, and I tried to vlog it, but girl, it was cut short because the rain, honey. The rain was not playing with us. If you wonder why the phone is shaking so much, bitch, because I'm doing it with my phone. I did not want to set up my stuff right now because I just finished recording a video for us. Later on this week, bitch, stay tuned. Hey. Nobody wants to see you.
Shut the fuck up.
We're gonna play Never Have I Ever, bitch. This sun is all up in my eyeballs.
So easy, I'll say easy. Never have I ever seen a guy's dick before, in person or in a picture.
Well... Whose dick you saw when you was younger?
You know, from my little brother.
Oh, okay. I was going to say.
Never have I ever gotten in a car accident.
Boy, that got mad deep, bitch.
Come on, bro.
She was figuring out she got into a car accident now. Never have ever like the Mexican boy.
Oh. Bro. Oh. No. Wait. I put my...
That's why I came for you too, because I know you like the Mexican boy.
Never have I ever been ghosted.
Have I?
Wait, what extent of ghost?
What do you mean by that?
Talking, or if y'all just had sex?
Put your hand up, bro.
Both. Piece of shit.
Yeah. Can you?
Never have I ever said I love you when I didn't.
Yeah.
Ain't no reason to lie, bitch. I don't love you.
No.
I respect you and love you. You don't love me.
That's all.
Never have ever seen a new picture. Let's get into it.
You hear that?
That means
you hear that?
Not, it don't have to be.
Bro, you hear that?
Like a virgin, touch for the very first time.
What the fuck is that?
A few moments later.
My titties! My titties! I'm not running! I'm not running! I'm not running! I'm a fat bitch! I'm a fat bitch! I can't do it!
Me and Jaden don't need an umbrella because bad bitches
Period, bad bitch. Right. We stay wet.
Shut the fuck
We stay wet.
I'll keep it. This is
Where we at?
Practice Central. Jaden, what is wrong with you?
You're not supposed to talk to the customers. Huh? We don't know you. You're not supposed to talk to the customers. That's how you lose your job. You better get it. You better get it, bitch. You better get it. Wow, wow. Whoa. Hey.
Yeah, get into it.
Ooh. Piriana. Oh, yuck. Baby.
I can't move. Oh. And then the other side, and then twist.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm sorry. Right.
Wait, I could do it. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hey, suck my cock.
It's me again. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, press the little thing next to every time I post. I'm not gonna stress it again. I'm gonna say it again every time. Baby, and like I always say, HBC signing out. See you guys tomorrow on Sunday. Okay.